Hey there, my friends. Coach 𝐸𝐩𝐸𝐾 here. I wanted to make this video because I got introduced to this and I was like, nah. That was actually the first response that I had. But I took a look at it and, what I really realized is that this program can help a lot of people who want to start making money from home, but they don't have money to really make money from home. And that I actually encounter that a lot because the programs that I promote are typically mid-ticket, high-ticket. People say, well, hey, don't you have something that's I could get started for less than 50 or whatever? And I'm like, normally I'm like, no, I don't have anything to help you with that, but now I actually do. So the program that I'm talking about is called Level Rewards. Now, for full disclosure, I joined Level Rewards, I want to say like a year ago or something like that ago, and I didn't know what to do with it. And then I got connected to an amazing blueprint. Hold on a second. Put my other headset in. Now I can hear. I got connected to an amazing blueprint that really showed me what to do step by step. So I'm going to take you in here and show you what has been happening with this. Okay, so if I go to my payments page, is it loading? Hold on. Okay, I've made $855 with Level Rewards. What I did was I came into this program, I took $11 and flipped that $11 into multiple daily deposits for myself. So yesterday, or the 26th, I'm sorry, I still have some payments pending, by the way. I made $250. The 25th, 75. 24th, 165. On the 23rd, I got two payments because you can cash out multiple times a day. Made 35. And then the day before that, I made, was that like 125, somewhere around there, and then $90 on the 21st. So the income has just been pretty awesome with this, to be able to take $11. You can technically get started with this for free, but my recommendation is take the $11 and put yourself in position to earn in a good earning position. What Level Rewards is Fortune 500 companies go to this company and they basically pay them to get people like you and me to use our social media to be able to help people try their offers. Okay, you don't have to keep any of them, you just have to try them. And that's things like Hulu Plus, right? Getting paid to watch TV, right? Things like that. And there's our team has an amazing blueprint to actually show people like how to simply copy and paste done for you ads. Our team does all the ads. They actually have a person in our group who does the ads every single day. And you post them on social media, and that's pretty much the process. You paste these ads, and then when people reach out to you, we show you how to get them started with these free offers or free trials, and then that's it, and then you get paid. That's it. All right, so I'm totally loving this. I'm not going to make this video long. I just wanted to let you guys know that this is something I added to help people who reach out to me who don't have $250 or $500 or $1,000 or even $100 to start a business, to be able to take $11 and be able to flip it into an income stream where I'm making, on average $100+ a day. Amazing. And it's growing. Okay. Yeah, I just wanted to make one thing clear though. People are like, oh, well, is this replacing your other income streams? No. This is in addition to what I'm already doing. And for those of you who already have affiliate marketing stream, this is a great feeder program because this answers a great need. What do you do with those people who come to you and they only have less than $20? What do you do with them? All right? How do you help them start? This is amazing. I'm loving this. So that said, that's it. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you want to get connected to my team blueprint, you just invest your $11. Message me. I'll put my messenger link below. Message me. Say I have my $11. I'm ready to get started. I'll plug you in, show you step by step what to do and how we're doing this, because our entire team is doing this. All right. I'll see you on the other side. Bye.